Today we are going to make a very simple and very easy recipe of chickpea or chole masala, and the ingredients for which are we have soaked our chickpeas overnight. Now in a pressure cooker add chickpeas, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 glass of water. We will cook it till 2 whistles and 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Let us check on our chickpeas or chole. These are perfectly done. We will prepare an onion tomato gravy. For that, heat oil, add half teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 black cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 medium sized finely chopped onions. Mix it and saute the onions till they are light golden in color. Color of the onions are changed. Now add half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute it nicely till the rawness of ginger and garlic goes off completely. Ginger and garlic is done. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon cumin seed powder. We will add a little water and roast our spices. Our spices have cooked nicely. Now we are going to add 3 medium sized finely chopped tomatoes. Add in some salt, keeping in mind we have already used salt in our chickpeas. Mix it nicely. Now add a little water. We will cover our tomatoes and cook them till they are soft and tender. A quick check on our tomatoes. Our tomatoes are nicely done. They are soft and mushy. The oil has separated. Now we will add our boiled chickpeas or chole. Mix them nicely. Add in quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chole masala. Mix everything nicely. We will cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame so that our chickpeas absorb all the flavors of the spices. Cover the lid and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. It is done nicely. Oil has been separated. Now add 2 green chilies, some finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our chickpeas or chole masala is ready to serve. Garnish it with some coriander leaves.